Have our maintenance guy take a look at this. All right, we're here again. We're going to do this mock inspection on the vacant unit that we have. So, of course, we're going to start on our right side, checking our bulbs. Here looks like this unit usually has this refrigerator. We start in the kitchen, we check all our gaskets. A lot of times these gaskets can be cracked. They're going to look to see if they're cracked on there. Doesn't really cost much to get this replaced at all. Get you an account with a good appliance parts company, leave me a message. I can send you a few places here in the city I am, or some larger national companies. So leave me a comment. Of course, we got all our outlets. So, of course, on the vacants, they typically are going to check all of your outlets. Get you a good tester. We have our maintenance guy take a look at this. Of course, we're going to check our appliances. You don't really have to turn them up high. They're only just checking to make sure that they actually heat and work. You don't have to do much. We'll let this warm up. We'll move on. Check all our cabinet doors. So we're back checking all our burners. Just make sure the microwave worked. These are heating up fine. Make sure these are off. So of course, this is our water source. We want to make sure anything within 6 feet, if we do have any outlets or GFCI. We're going to check the temperature of all our sinks. Where it works. We come back and check this. Pantry. Check our rails outside. And solid. Since we're here, we'll go ahead and check our temperature of our water. Check for any leaks, moisture. Stoppers. Let's go back into the bedroom. Of course, we'll check our outlets. Good. Check all our windows. So you want to check to make sure your windows open, close, lock properly. Pretty nice closet in a laundry area. Of course, remember, water source. Make sure this is a GFCI outlet. Which it is. If it leaks, fully check. Extra good. Back into the kitchen. Make sure thermostat works. Storage area. So we just conducted our 1-bedroom apartment, Inspire. Make sure your GFCI outlets, your leaks, make sure your appliances are working. Make sure if you're within a water source, your GFCI outlets, your outlets aren't cracked or anything like that. So Prep and Prosper, we thank you again. So we've done our Inspire inspection report, and we want to make sure that we check all of our main top 5 issues that we have: our GFCI outlets, our leaks, moisture damage. We want to make sure our smoke detectors and our CO alarms are up and functional. Any sprinklers, fire alarms that you have. We want to make sure we have all that squared away. Check to make sure your railings or anything like that isn't loose. Your windows are functioning properly, and you'll pass your Inspire. If you have any questions, and if you fail, you're going to get an inspection report. You'll have some items that you have to fix. We'll go over an inspection report here soon. But Prep and Prosper, thank you. Have a great day.